Hi, today we are going to see how to make Instagram video edit. First of all, open Instagram. Here you have to create a story, then select the camera. For video purpose, I am recording a video. Here you can see in the upper side the sound icon, that video sound turn off or on. In the AA icon or letter icon, you can select the letter font size, the color, or you can type the letter. Also, you can mention someone and locate your location. Then comes from here, you can add location, mention someone, hashtag, question, GIF, poll, quiz, link, and also insert emojis and stickers. In the right, you can see the effect of the video. You can give the effect of the video. I am using a random one. In the three dot icon, you can boomerang your video. Here is the boomerang. You can also turn off from here, then click on done. Also, you can draw a shape or something in your video. You can also choose the color from the bottom and choose the style from the up. Also, you can save the video after edit. Once the video edited, you can share to your story or your close friend or message. After sharing, you can select done. Then your video will be shared. So that's how to make Instagram video edits. If you like this video, give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.